Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen timeout on our phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the settings of our phone. Go to settings here, then go to display, then here select screen timeout. By default, screen's timeout is set to 1 minute. Okay, what it means, after 1 minute of inactivity of phone screen will be timed out. Okay, if you would like to extend screen timeout, you can click on the next option, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, up to 30 minutes. You can increase screen timeout. Okay, I show a demo. Now I keep in 30 seconds only. Okay, sorry. Yes, 30 seconds. Okay, so 30 seconds means the screen timeout is decreased. Okay, I keep in the first option, 15 seconds. Okay, what it means, after 15 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be timed out. See here, after 15 seconds you go to wait 15 seconds, you should not do any task. Okay, yes, screen is timed out. Okay, so in this way you can either increase screen timeout or decrease screen timeout as per your wish. If you want to keep in the default screen timeout, you go to choose the 1 minute option. Okay, in this way you can easily change and fix any screen timeout for your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.